yesterday, in the last couple of hours, no, maybe the last 3 or 4 hours, the bike wouldn't start. Every time we'd like stop over for fuel or whatever, we'd start a button down here, and it wouldn't start. And then, after trying for about 10 times, it eventually would start. So we kept going with that last night. This morning, there was absolutely nothing. Couldn't get it going for ages. I actually missed out getting photographs done. So this is how we start it. Make sure it's in neutral. Engine on. And then these two contacts, we're going to bridge it with this.